Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the golden era of American luxury, the late 1970s, to explore one of the most iconic personal luxury coupes ever built, the 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Exterior. This car wasn't just transportation, it was a statement, a symbol of wealth, success, and unapologetic style. So buckle up as we dive deep into its exterior, interior, performance, and find out why the Mark V still turns heads decades later. The 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V is a masterclass in 1970s automotive design, big, bold, and beautifully extravagant. At over 19 feet long, it was one of the largest coupes ever made. The long hood, sharp fender lines, and the signature Continental spare tire hump on the trunk gave it that unmistakable Lincoln identity. Chrome detailing is everywhere, from the massive grille up front to the elegant bumpers and window trim. The hidden headlamps behind the sleek grille added a futuristic touch for its time. Optional color-matched vinyl roofs, opera windows, and two-tone paint jobs gave owners endless ways to personalize their cars. It's the kind of design that screamed luxury before you even stepped inside. Interior. Now, let's step into the cabin, where Lincoln truly showcased its idea of American opulence. Inside, the Mark V feels like a rolling living room. Plush velour or leather seats, thick carpeting, and genuine wood grain trim surrounded the driver and passengers in total comfort. Everything was oversized, from the dashboard to the steering wheel. The gauges had that elegant, minimalist look, while controls were designed for smooth, effortless use. Luxury features included power windows, power seats, cruise control, automatic climate control, and even an 8-track stereo system, cutting-edge tech for the late 70s. Every inch of the interior was designed to isolate you from the outside world, a true, luxury cocoon experience. Performance. Now, under that long, sculpted hood lies the heart of the Mark V. Most 1978 models came equipped with the 6.6-liter, 400-cubic-inch V8 engine, while an optional 7.5-liter, 460-cubic-inch V8 was available for those who wanted maximum power. While horsepower was modest by today's standards, around 159 to 210 horsepower, depending on the engine, what the Mark V lacked in speed, it made up for in smoothness and refinement. The 3-speed automatic transmission delivered buttery smooth shifts, and the car's soft suspension ensured a cloud-like ride, floating over bumps like they didn't exist. This wasn't a sports car, it was a luxury cruiser, built to glide down the highway effortlessly. So, what makes the 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V special even today? It represents the final chapter of the true full-size American luxury coupe, before downsizing and fuel regulations changed the game in the 1980s. It's a car that embodies style, comfort, and prestige, a time capsule from an era when bigger truly meant better. Whether you're a collector, classic car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates old-school craftsmanship, the Mark V remains one of Lincoln's most elegant and unforgettable creations. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next classic car feature. Tell us in the comments, would you cruise down the highway in one of these land yachts? Until next time, drive safe, stay classic, and keep the passion alive.